Buenos Aires.
Hello.
We're in El Ateneo Gran Splendid. They would use blood from like cows and... The favela's been here. Yesterday, we watched the movie Evita with Madonna and Antonio Banderas. And so now we're here in Buenos Aires and we want to see all the sights.
And sing me like a famous song from this movie.
What's new? Buenos Aires, I'm new. You want to know what you... I don't know all the words. Just a little... 43-minute walk. 25-minute drive.
How are you feeling there?
So excited.
It's enough place for you there?
Better than Look at all the space, yeah. Nobody's sitting on a
Hello? Hello. We're in El Ateneo Gran Splendid. It's the famous library, one of the most beautiful in the world. It used to be a theater, so everything looks like a theater. Here you can see the stage, that now is a cafe there. And then you can sit on the balconies and just grab a book and read there. And it used to be a theater, and now I'm gonna just meet the person. And then a cinema, and now it's a library. Handmaid's Tale. I like that Arizona sky burning in your eyes, or in the shallow, shallow, in the shallow, shallow. Okay, so we're on our way to Casa Rosada, which is basically the pink house, and it's where Evita did her speeches, you know, from the balcony. That's where we're going. Apparently, the reason why this building is pink is that when they first were painting it, they didn't have any paint, and so they would use blood from like cows and things that they, you know, kill for meat or for clothing, whatever. They would use blood in it to color the building. Now they don't, thankfully, but that's why it's pink. It's so scary story.
Yeah, but it's true. It's real life, man. Now we're in La Caminito, that's the tourist 6th street, and we're in La Boca neighborhood, but Caminito is now designed, it's just for left for tourists. The favela's been here,
So now these little favelas are colored and they have shops with souvenirs.
Okay, thank you.